G'day guys, so here we are, racking's pretty much done. First truck's coming in. Unfortunately we couldn't fit a P-double in here, so they've had to drop a trailer and bring half in, drop it off and then grab the other half. But here we go, the mayhem begins. G'day guys, it's now Thursday morning and what a night it was last night. Simon and I were here till about 2 AM putting stuff away to prepare for today with another truck arriving. As you can see behind me, we're starting to fill up with a heap of stock. We've got 2 more trucks to come tomorrow and that's it. And then the fun begins. Organising this warehouse, finishing the fit out upstairs and starting to push all this stock out the door. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. So all the trucks have now arrived. Stock's all here at our new HQ on the Gold Coast. Now the fun begins to get it all organised. The guys out of Sydney consolidated all the pallets and pretty much put crap everywhere. So it's now our job to filter it, so all the stock inventory is perfect and all the different products have their own picking lines and we're good to go. So next stage, smash out the office.